This video will show you how to get the most out of the grill on the Smeg range cookers. The grill function is available on every Smeg range cooker. It's indicated by a curved dotted line on the control panel. The Smeg grills are operated with the door closed. This ensures you save the most energy possible, and it's also a safer way to cook. All Smeg range cookers and ovens feature thermostatically controlled grills. These are located on the roof of the grill cavity. This means that you can select a temperature without it getting hotter and hotter. The grill will glow on and off to maintain a steady and constant temperature for optimum grilling results. Some models also come with a half grill option too. This means that the inner elements of the grill heat up for a more economical way of grilling smaller quantities of food. The Smeg range cookers offer style and performance. To see how they work, have a look at some of our other videos.